So we're also going to try this chili oil. I've got a little bit of the crunchy chili oil in there with some watermelon, and I'm going to add some of this chili and lime seasoning. Alright. I already like the watermelon with the chili and lime. I've never tried it with the chili oil. Let's see. I don't know what it is about this chili oil. Is the umami in it, or honey, it makes everything taste good. My husband's cutting the dogs. Look at there. Yum. Happy Sunday. Alright, we've shook it all around. Ooh, look at that. Doesn't that look pretty? Alright, guys. Check it out. Oh, thank you. I forgot to shut the refrigerator. That's good.